Fontana Lima Ultra, thin range shower head, with built-in, thermostatic mixer, and handheld shower set. Product code, FS3061UH. Retail price, $671. Sale price, $459. The Lima Ultra, thin shower head, with concealed thermostatic mixer valve shower set is a perfect addition to any bathroom. The thermostatic mixer valve gives you complete temperature control with a built-in anti-scalding device, so you'll never have to worry about a drop in temperature again. Chrome-plated solid brass construction, built-in anti-scald device, set to 38 degrees, easy clean anti-limescale rubber jets, minimum wall depth of 3.4287 millimeters required, minimum 1.0 bar water pressure. Fontana Lima Ultra, thin range shower head, with built-in thermostatic mixer, and handheld shower set features. Brand name, FontanaShowers. Model number, FS3061UH. Type, shower set. Style, contemporary. Number of handles, dual handle type, fixed rotatable type. Surface finish, chrome feature, thermostatic mixer. Cold hot water control type, dual holder. Dual control size, see options. Surface treatment, polished valve core material, ceramic. Installation type, wall or ceiling mount.